much background noise. Anybody got too much background noise in your life? Can't hear the Spirit because there's so much background noise. Anybody do too much? Moving too fast? Saying yes? Should have said no? Right? Just end up lying, right? You're like, I ain't doing it, but okay, sure. Anybody ever lose power? Exhausted. Just run into the ground. So we like, well, the Holy Spirit didn't. The Spirit's like, hey, you didn't. The Holy Spirit don't have the energy, right? I'm too tired to pray and to hear your voice through your word. Entered the wrong destination. God ever directs you to do one thing, go one place? You got another destination in mind? Or you just ignore it. Holy Spirit speaks, you're like, nope, don't want to do that. Or what about you don't trust him? Anybody not trust God? God might want me to do something crazy. For some reason, it always means being a missionary in Africa, right?